Hello. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Hot Tips Nail Box. This is my March subscription box. So this month she is doing a zodiac theme. So let's just get right into it. Got the mini cleaver ready to go. Okay, so I know in this box there are some stickers, there's some blingy stuff, there's an acrylic powder, but the thing is that there are some surprises in here. Like, I don't know which kind of sticker I'm gonna get. The acrylic powder comes with a Kawaii charm, surprise. I know it comes with a foil, which is also gonna be a surprise. So there's a couple surprises in here. So let's get in because I'm excited for this. Here it is. This is so cute. She always does it up so nice. Look at this. I got a zodiac. I'll read what mine is later. Look at the little sparkles. I took this out of my mailbox and I had little silver stars in my mailbox. Ooh, okay, so here's my first surprise. There's my foil that I got. That's really pretty. It's like a purple galaxy. Ooh, this is really pretty. Ooh, so pretty. You gotta fold these up back nicely, because they'll get ruined if you don't. Yeah, I know I'm missing a nail. Funny story. I actually got my finger slammed in a car door. But thank God I had a nail on, or else, you know, it would have really hurt. It honestly, it didn't hurt too bad. Just my nail popped off, which is no biggie. Okay, so there's my first little surprise, which I'm happy with. Ooh. Ooh, these are cute. I like blue, flat back, little rhinestones, very sparkly. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, what's next? Ooh, I got little nail plates. Zodiac sign nail plates. I see a Pisces. I see an Aquarius, a Virgo. Cool. Aries is in there. Taurus. Scorpio. Sweet. Oh, and then these little things. These little stars. Very cute. I even like these little bags, like the holographic bags. Packaging is really nice. And these cute little pink bags. It's very nice packaging. I like the little box too. It's so cute. What is this? Cool. Would you like to be a brand ambassador? I would love to be a brand ambassador. I'm actually very happy with Hot Tips. This is only my second box so far, but I'm really happy. I like that, you know, you always get bling. You always get stickers. It comes in this cute little box. It's very personalized. It's very personable, it seems like. Ooh, and these little dangly star charms. Very cute. I get a little lineup going here. Oh my gosh! These are adorable! They're little star compilations for some of the different zodiac signs. I don't know exactly what zodiac signs are for which star compilation, but that is so cute. Adorable. And you know what I like too is that this stuff is different. I don't see this kind of stuff like anywhere else from any other company. Nobody else does this. Seriously. Look at how cute. That is beautiful. Okay. Oh, here's the acrylic powder. Oh, and this little, look at this cute little bag. That is adorable. I want to see what Kawaii charm I got. You get a little Kawaii charm in here. Ready for the big reveal? Let's see. Oh, she's probably buried. Hold on. I need to see. I need to see. Hold on. Okay. Ooh, I spilled a little. Aww. Aw, that makes me sad. I wasted some. I'll have to get that in a little bit. But anyways, back to this. So I got my little tweezers so I can go digging for my little Kawaii charm. There's a surprise Kawaii charm. And all these, look how beautiful. Can we just take a second to see how beautiful this acrylic is? I mean, it's like super chunky. There's stars, there's iridescent baby blue. This is, by the way, called the Dream Baby from the Glitter Baby Fantasy acrylic line. Where is my little Kawaii baby? I know he's in here somewhere. Oh, I feel something. I feel something. Oh, I feel something. Oh, oh, oh. Aww. Is that a little popsicle? Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's a little it looks like it's a Peppa Pig. It's a Peppa Pig popsicle. How cute is that? Oh my god, that's adorable. Let's put my little baby Kawaii charm back in here. Let's put him back in. That is so cute. And that was fun. Okay. Now, are we down to the stickers? Okay, we're down to the stickers. Ooh! Awesome. I got these. Evil Eye inspired. These are really cool. Love. Love it, love it. Ooh, and then I got this. These are really cool too. They're very edgy. XOXO. Lober. Not lover, but lober. This moon is pretty cool. Heart on Flames. Awesome. Sweet. So this is what I got in my box then. I got my stickers in here. My Dream Baby Fantasy. These little constellation things. My blue gems. My pretty foil galaxy galaxy foil, purple galaxy foil, my little stars, my zodiac nameplates, my piercing stars, my nail piercing stars, and I think that's it. There she is. Get yourself a Hot Tips nail box subscription box. They're awesome. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me and showing me love. Have yourselves a wonderful evening.